Hey everybody, this video I have a lock here. It's an American lock. I can't remember the model number, but it's I guess we'll find out in a second here. It's one that I've never picked before or worked on before. Older one from eBay, and it says tarnished on it, so that's cool. So, A30, that's what it is, an A30. Comes with some old TV guide, it looks like. Yeah, it's a little guy. And I would say the box is accurate. It does appear to be tarnished. And it's a double-sided key, which is neat. I've never actually tried to pick one of these before. And I believe that the cuts are different, so yeah, it only goes one way. So I'm going to look at it down the keyway here and see if it's got, I guess it must have wafers on both sides, so this would be an interesting one to pick. I said I've never tried one before. And since we do have to pick top and the bottom, I'm going to use our what I kind of jokingly refer to as middle of the keyway tension, but it is, I guess that's actually what it is though. So, and we're going to try to use a hook. And may have problems here accessing. Yep. This looks like it's not going to work here. So, sorry guys, I'm looking for a flashlight here to see. Flashlight so I can look down into the keyway. I know I friggin' have one somewhere. I got a new table, a new setup and whatnot. And you know, when everything's friggin' organized, you don't know where the hell anything is or something like that. So anyway, back to task at hand here. Just see if we can shine. Yeah, it's not going to work. Anyway, so this is what we got. We're going to see if we can get this guy open. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, we could see. I don't know where the hell the flashlight went. There's one here somewhere. If anybody sees it, holler at me. Try top of the keyway here and see if we can still get at. Okay, yeah, this might work. Let me try a fatter thing here, so I'm not even feeling anything really going on in there. Yeah, 50 thousandths fits. Yeah, I wonder actually if I'm even turning it the right direction. Okay. Don't know that I was here. Okay, now we got some tension on it. And I will tell you, man, picking upside down is a challenge here. got some rotation on it a little bit. Back to the other side here. This thing needs to open up fast. It's going to kill my wrist. Okay, we're almost open here. There's major rotation on it. I have no idea what's inside of this thing. That's like a false set or just... Ooh. Rotated back on me. Yeah, we got more rotation on it again. And we're open. Barely touched that pin and it opened up. Cool. That's awesome. It's the first time I've ever picked something like this. And it looks like there is a screw in there, so I think we can gut it. I guess we'll find out anyway. Since I don't know what the insides are on this, I'm going to lock it back. So our cylinder goes back to the home position. And grab keys here, so we'll open it up. And there was a flathead screw in there. Not gonna fit. That'll fit. There's the screw that comes out of it. Now the question is, does the cylinder come out? I don't know anything about these locks. It doesn't appear that it does. I'm actually looking down in the hole. It doesn't look like it even pushes out. I'm gonna have to find a damn flashlight. Alright, got a flashlight here, so looking down in the hole, I don't know what that screw does, but it doesn't look like it comes out. So I guess maybe I can't gut it, so that sucks. Let's see what this thing will look like on the inside, but anyway, it's kind of a cool lock. You know, cool key and everything. And I guess, oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, of course. And if you have any feedback on the production, I was probably talking low at the beginning, so I don't need any feedback on that. But just on the lighting and stuff, if anybody has anything constructive to say. And I guess don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later. All right. Well, as soon as I turned the camera off, I gave it some percussive maintenance and messed around with it a little bit and figured out how to get it apart. It didn't make sense that it didn't come apart, although I still don't know what this screw is for. I don't really think it does anything. But anyway, here's our core. So this is a double-sided wafer lock. And there's all the wafers there. Kind of a neat lock, definitely old. And it's all oily and nasty too, of course. I don't know if I really want to take any of these wafers out, but I wonder if you can even still get a pinning kit for these. Probably not. Yeah, it's pulling on the spring. We pulled it the wrong way, but I'm just going to leave them in there. But you know, when they're in, they're all at the keys in. They're all pulled to the shear line, and lets the lock spin and everything. And they're out. You know, they pop up on both sides, keeping it from being able to be turned out. So anyway, that'll really do it now for this one, and we'll talk to everybody later.